Okay, hello everyone. Assalamualaikum and hello. In this video, I'm going to explain about blocks and attributes. Okay, a block is a collection of objects that you combine into a single name object. So if you are familiar with grouping in making drawings in PowerPoint or words, then it's similar to that. So you group a collection of objects, okay, into a single name object. So on this screen here, I have already I have a title block already drawn. Okay, so you can follow this by follow this video by first drawing this title block on your own. I've given the measurement in the notes. Okay, and we are going to save this drawing as a block named the title block. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to create this title block, and then you can start the block command, block, enter, and give a name for the block that you want to save. Okay, so I'm going to name this as my title block. Okay, let's choose a base point. So I will choose this corner here as the base point, and then choose the objects. I'm going to choose this whole drawing as my object, and then enter, and okay, so I click OK. Now I have already saved this drawing as a block. Okay, so the next time I wanted to use the same title block, okay, just open a new drawing. So I just use the command insert. Actually, I just used the command here, insert block from recent blocks. Okay, insert this one. Yep, this one. Right, and that's done. So that's the function of the block. So the next time you want to create a new drawing, you don't have to redraw this title block, and you can just use the blocks. You have saved this drawing as a block, and you can just insert the block. Okay, so that is how you create a block. Okay, I'm going to show how you can also save. Okay, let's go back to my original drawing, and here you can save the blocks with attributes. Okay, what are attributes? Attributes are additional details that you want to put in your block, but it might be changing. For example, here you have name, cost, and metric number, and date, so on. So each time you don't want to save your name. If you want this block to be able to be used by other people, then you don't want to save your name in the title block, right? So what you can do is you put in attribute, and I will give the attribute tag name, and I will ask the user to insert their name. Then I will set my text height is okay, 2.5, lock position, then I click OK, and I will put my attribute here, and then I'll create another attribute, and that is for cars. Insert cars. Okay, and then I will put it next to this one, and same again, metric number. Oh, sorry, shouldn't have spaces. Okay, here, and then date. So prompt is the prompt that will appear when you insert the block that will ask the user to insert the date. Okay, then I put the date here, and then scale and drawing number. And one more is for the drawing number. Okay, and also one more thing is the title. Okay, alright. So in this drawing I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attributes. Okay, then I'm going to save this as a block. So I type block again, and then I'm going to save this as title block with attributes. Then pick the base point, select the objects, enter, convert to block. I can put retain, then OK. Right, so these are attributes that will appear, the prompt that will appear when you're trying to insert that block. Okay, so remember this is my title block with attributes. Okay, for example, this is blocks and attributes 2, 1 to 1. Insert date December 2020. Attribute number B0412, so on. Course name BMCG 1523, and my name Vika. Alright, okay, so you see it will appear there. So if I create a new drawing, so this is a new drawing, and I will insert the blocks that I've just created. Okay, title block Afika with attributes, and then it will appear, and I will insert it here, and this edit attributes command will appear again. So each time you are inserting the block with attributes, it will ask you to put in all these details for your blocks. Okay, so this is drawing 1, drawing scale 1 to 1. Date is MCG, its name. Okay, then OK. So it will have all this information in my title block. So that is about blocks and attributes.